Hey there, fellow chicken enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an egg-citing topic to discuss, signs that a chicken is going to lay eggs soon. If you're eagerly awaiting those first eggs from your chickens, keep an eye out for these telltale signs that your feathered friends are ready to become valuable egg layers. On average, most chicken breeds begin to lay eggs when they're 5 to 6 months old. However, there can be some variation. Heritage breeds in particular can take a bit longer to start laying, usually around 6 to 7 months old. One of the first signs you might notice is squatting behavior. When a hen is about to lay eggs, she'll often squat down low when you approach or gently pet her. It's her way of saying, "I'm ready to lay." Next, watch for the nesting instinct. Hens preparing to lay eggs become fixated on finding the perfect nesting spot. They'll explore nooks and crannies, cozy corners, or, hopefully, designated nesting boxes. Listen closely for egg songs or louder clucks. Some hens become more vocal as they near egg-laying time. It's like they can't contain their excitement, and they want to share it with the world. Are you noticing any changes in the comb and wattles? A hen getting ready to lay eggs may have a more pronounced and vibrant comb and wattles. They'll take on a deeper shade of red, signaling their reproductive readiness. Watch for increased vent activity too. As egg laying approaches, you might notice the vent becoming more prominent and active. Your hen may spend more time near the nesting area, inspecting potential spots to lay her eggs. Remember, these signs may vary between different chicken breeds and individual hens. And don't worry if your young pullets take some time to develop these signs, it's all part of the exciting journey. It won't be long before you'll be collecting farm-fresh eggs straight from your own coop. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed learning about the signs that a chicken is going to lay eggs soon, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more feathered fun on our channel. Happy chicken keeping!